Replace layout. In the software, you will find a huge library of layouts. You can save your design as layouts and use the same design in future. In order to replace a layout, open up the page in which you wish to replace the layout. Select the layout option from the library bar and it will load the layout library. Select the desired category from the drop down list under the layout library. It will load all the layouts from that category. You can see the combination of layout in the library drop down categorized according to the total number of images. Select the number of images based on the total images on the template page and all the layouts for that particular number of images will be displayed. You can apply a desired layout on the page by simply dragging the layout from the library drop down and dropping it on the page or by double clicking on the layout in the library drop down. The layout will be replaced on current page instantly. If the selected layout has more number of images than the image on that page, the image will be added in the image placeholder and the remaining image placeholder will be remain empty. You can add image in this empty space holder from the image library. If the layout selected has least number of pictures than the image on page, then the extra image will be deleted.